Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding the equation of a perpendicular line. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first one says find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line y equals to negative 3x plus 4 going through 9 and negative 3. Before we go on to solve the question, let's understand the steps involved. First, we'll be converting the given line in the form of slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx plus c. From here we will be calculating the slope, that is m. Now we will be finding out the slope of the line perpendicular to it. Now the relationship between perpendicular line slopes is that m dot m1 equals to negative 1. That is, product of the slopes is negative 1. We will be getting m from the given equation, and m1 will calculate from this relationship. Now we are given a point also, that is, say x1 comma y1. Now we have the slope m1 and we have the point x1 y1. Using the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals to m1 times x minus x1, we will be finding out the equation of the line perpendicular to the given line. Now let's start off. We are given the equation y equals to negative 3x plus 4. Now this is already in slope intercept form. We see and compare it to the slope intercept form, and we see that m equals to negative 3. Now using the relation m dot m1, that is m times m1 equals to negative 1. M is negative 3 times m1 equals to negative 1. From here we calculate by dividing by negative 3 on both sides. Here we are. So we get as m1 equals to positive 1/3. Now we have m1, we have x1 as 9 and y1 as negative 3. Now using these three quantities, we'll find out the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is negative 3 equals to m1 is 1/3 x minus 9. Let's solve this. A negative and a negative is a positive, so y plus 3, distributive law to the two terms, 1/3 of x minus 1/3 of 9. This is y plus 3 equals to 1/3 of x minus 3. So this is here. Now we have to move this 3 to the other side. So subtracting 3 from both sides, here we are. This becomes 0. So y equals to 1/3 of x, negative 3 minus 3 is a negative 6. So y equals to 1/3 of x minus 6 is the final answer and can be seen in option D. For better understanding, let's look at the next question. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line. This is the given line and going through the point 4 and negative 5. So first we will be putting our given equation of the line in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx plus c. For that we add 2x to both sides, 2x plus 3. Now here we are left with negative y equals to 2x plus 3. Now in order to make the y positive, we divide by negative 1 on both sides and we get y equals to negative 2x minus 3. From here we see m equals to negative 2. So m times m1 equals to negative 1. This is the relationship of slopes which are lines are perpendicular. So negative 2 times m1 equals to negative 1. So m1 equals to 1 by 2. We have m1, we have x1 equals to 4 and y1 equals to negative 5. So now we're using the point slope form, that is y minus y1 equals to m1 times x minus x1. So a negative and a negative is a positive. Y plus 5 equals to, we apply the distributive law, half of x minus half of 4. So y plus 5 equals to half of x minus 2. Now we have to make the 5 0, so we subtract 5 on both sides, is equal to half of x minus 2 minus 5. This becomes 0. Y equals to half of x minus 7. This is the final answer, and let's see which option it is matching to. This is matching with option C. Let's try the next question. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line negative 2x plus 4y equals to negative 4 going through negative 5 and 1. Now let's write the given equation and put it in slope intercept form. For that we add 2x on both sides first, equals to 2x minus 4. This becomes 0, and we are left with 4y equals to 2x minus 4. We have to make the coefficient of y as 1, so dividing by 4 on both sides is what we get. Simplifying this, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Y equals to, this is 1 half and this is 1. Y equals to 1 half of x minus 1. So now from here we see that m equals to 1 half, and we have to calculate m1. We know the relationship, m times m1 equals to negative 1. Plugging the value of m as half times m1 equals to negative 1. Multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get m1 equals to negative 2. Now we have m1, we have x1 as negative 5 and y1 equals to 1. Now using the point slope form, y minus y1 equals to m1 times x minus x1. We have plugged in the values in the slope intercept form, and we'll simplify this now. Y minus 1 is equal to negative 2, x negative times negative is a positive 5. So y minus 1 equals to, applying the distributive law, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times the positive 5 is negative 10. Now we have to make this negative 1 0, so we add 1 on both sides, minus 10 plus 1. So this becomes 0. We are left with y equals to negative 2x. Negative 10 plus 1 is a negative 9. So y equals to negative 2x minus 9 is the final answer, and can be seen in option B. I hope finding the equation of a perpendicular line is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.